They claim a lot of features with this one. Let's see if it's truly worth your money. Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing a premium wireless keyboard from Zebronics, and it's the Zebronics Zeb Max Ninja 200 keyboard. On the front of the box, it has a picture of the keyboard, and it claims to be compatible with Windows, Mac and Android. A little branding on the sides, and on the back it lists out a few features. Overall, the packaging definitely feels heavy and premium. Inside the box, we get a very good quality 1.8 meter braided USB-A to Type-C cable, a 2.4 GHz USB receiver, a metal key switch remover, a white keycap remover, an extra white colored Z keycap in case you don't like the stock one installed, and a QR code for all the documentation, which includes the manual and warranty registration. Speaking of the warranty, Zebronics provides a 1-year warranty from the date of purchase in case of any damage. First impressions, the keyboard feels extremely premium and well built. The white color definitely adds a very aesthetic feel to it, and the keys are great to type on. It comes in a dimension of 15 by 16 centimeters, weighing in at around 610 grams. The top of the keyboard has some branding and a Type-C port through which you can charge it and also use it via a wired connection. The sides and bottom have nothing, and on the back we have 4 rubber feet and a device label. Unfortunately, the keyboard does not come with a dongle holder or any stands or clips for inclination. Despite the keyboard having a plastic build quality, there seems to be no flex, deeming it to be one of the best built keyboards in this segment. It comes with an inbuilt battery that should last you 3 to 4 days on a single charge. When it comes to connectivity, the Zeb Max Ninja definitely checks all the boxes. It comes with 3 modes of connection. Wireless via Bluetooth, which allows you to simultaneously connect to 3 devices. In this case, I've connected it to my MacBook, Windows PC and an Android. And just by pressing the function and 1 key, I switch to the MacBook. Function and 2 key switches to the PC. And function and 3 switches to the Android. And the second way to connect to this keyboard is via the 2.4 GHz dongle, which is as simple as plug and play. The third and the most trusty way is via a wired connection, again as simple as plug and play. There seems to be hardly any latency via Bluetooth or dongle connectivity, meaning this can be used for competitive gaming sessions as well. The keyboard comes with 84 full-size keys, including arrow, delete, home, end, page up and page down keys, compromising on nothing compared to a full-size keyboard. Along with N key rollover, it also includes keys for media, volume and brightness control for both Windows and Mac systems. The keycaps used are of high quality PVT, meaning you're never going to have any of these fade with longer usages. And the switches used are silent red switches from Otemu, which are claimed to last 50 million keystrokes. The keyboard is entirely hot swappable, meaning both the keycaps and the switches can be entirely replaced. Overall, the keys feel very good to type on with evenly spaced stabilizers on the larger keys. It feels premium and plush while using them. Here's a quick sound test of the keyboard. The keyboard comes with 18 unique LED modes, each that can be cycled through using the function and tilde key. 4 speed modes which can be controlled using function and the plus or minus keys. 4 brightness modes which can be controlled using the function and F5 or F6 keys. And to toggle the RGB completely off, you can use the function and K key. With the translucent sides to the keyboard, the RGB feels very well implemented, and if you're planning to go with a more subtle look, you could always turn the RGB off, leaving you with a premium looking white keyboard. Here are a few shortcuts to get you started with using the keyboard. To check the remaining battery percentage, just hold down the function and space key. The battery indicates via a green line across 1 through 0 keys, each number indicating 10% battery, 70% at 7, 90% at 9 and so on. To quickly change the keyboard layout between Windows and Mac, press down function and A for Windows and function and S to change to the Mac layout. In the Mac layout, the Windows key becomes the option key and the Alt key becomes the command key. And finally, to completely turn off the keyboard, just hold down the function and numeric 5 key for a few seconds. The Zebronics Zeb Max Ninja 200 is a top-notch 75% keyboard that truly delivers. With its solid build quality, comfortable typing experience, and great connectivity options, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking for a well-built premium keyboard that checks all the right boxes. I put a lot of time and effort into this review, and if it helped you in any way, do consider subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next one.